When Mother Nature decides to specialize an animal, she does it with style. These birds have some of the most amazing beaks. These beautiful beaks are not just for looks. These fashionable birds use their special bills to reach tall branches or elusive fish. The bold color pattern on the beak of the Atlantic puffin is only the beginning of what makes this beak so special. This bird's nicknames, Clown of the Sea and Sea Parrot. Flamingos are large pink-colored birds found in saline and alkaline lakes of many continents. Just like color of feather, the unique shape of beak makes flamingos too special among species of birds. Black skimmer beak is totally different. The bill is long but thin, and the lower mandible extends out past the upper mandible. These features make it ideal for how this bird catches food. It's the only bird that sometimes has a bill longer than its body. The sword-billed hummingbird has the longest beak relative to its body size of any bird in the world. It's easy to guess how this bird got its common name. It feeds in shallow fresh and coastal waters, walking while moving the bill from side to side. Shoebills are prehistoric, looks tall bird, native to Africa. It also has a sharp hook at the tip, making it possible for the bird to grip, crush, and pierce prey all at once. The seeds held within pine cones, even tightly closed cones, can be accessed thanks to the unusual shape of its bill. Keel-billed toucan, also called as rainbow-billed toucan because of colored large bill. It is one of the colorful beaks in the world, can see different colors. Rhinoceros Hornbill have upward curved casque on their bill, just like rhino horn. Male casque are little bigger than that of female birds. They have yellow-colored, curved massive bill, the black and yellow mixed casque. During breeding season, great hornbill also make loud duet, rapid mixture of barks and roar.